Witness the terrifying biological reality of sugar addiction inside the human body. Start by looking at this innocent gummy bear. Watch as it sprouts razor-sharp crystalline spikes, turning a sweet treat into a deadly weapon. Inside your veins, blood turns into a thick, golden caramel sludge, trapping your healthy cells in a sticky, suffocating grip. A single drop of soda hits a white tooth, and it decays instantly, shattering into a million particles of useless sugar dust. Deep within your skull, the brain drowns in a pool of neon liquid, screaming for an addictive chemical rush. Meanwhile, sticky pink gum pours over your metabolic gears, increasing friction until the entire system grinds to a smoky halt. The pancreas pump glows red-hot from the heat of overtime work, pushing insulin at a frantic, dangerous velocity. But the golden doors of your cells slam shut, leaving a massive wave of candy balls piling up outside. Excess sugar turns into heavy yellow wax, dripping over your liver and hardening into a greasy shell that suffocates the organ. Fat cells inflate like yellow balloons stretched to their absolute limit, thinning out until they are dangerously close to bursting. The liquid in your blood vessels freezes instantly into jagged red rock candy, blocking the tube and cutting off circulation. Sugar crystals latch onto your collagen ropes and snap them like dry twigs, destroying the structural integrity of your skin. Your youthful face begins to melt downward like hot wax under an intense lamp, forming deep wrinkles and dripping away. It is a roller coaster ride that climbs to a neon peak, only to plummet straight down into a gray, foggy void. You are no longer in control. Sugar pulls your limbs like a puppet, forcing a helpless dance from the darkness above. Acidic soda rain burns your biological garden, turning green tissue into black charcoal and leaving a wasteland of inflammation. Your kidneys gasp for air as their delicate golden filters get clogged by thick amber goo that refuses to pass. Concentrated sugar crystallizes into razor-sharp stones that grow explosively, cutting you from within like internal shrapnel. It steals calcium, turning your sturdy marble pillars of bone into piles of fine white dust that blow away. Lubricant turns to sand, causing your metallic joints to rust and grind painfully with every single movement. The flow of life dies out before reaching your fingertips, turning them into cold, opaque, black volcanic rock. Finally, the fat cell explodes in a slow-motion shockwave of neon slime, signaling total structural failure of the system. Giant sugar dominoes fall one by one, crushing the delicate glass sculptures of your vital organs under the heavy collapse. You sink deeper into bubbling candy syrup that hardens like amber, trapping you in a sweet, suffocating quicksand. The ruby heart is consumed by black flames, turning into brittle charcoal and crumbling into ash in the dark void. The entire neon city of your body melts simultaneously into a shapeless gray sludge, flowing down into a nightmare. But stop the sugar and watch the miracle. A jet of clear water blasts away the grime, revealing the shining gold underneath. The overheated engine cools down to a calm blue, and the piston starts pumping smoothly once again. From the ashes of dead cells, vibrant green life begins to sprout and bloom with fresh organic fruit. The heavy fog inside your mind evaporates, leaving your glass brain perfectly transparent and focused. Balance is restored. A little less sugar today means 1,000 more days of a vibrant, healthy life.